So we're down here at Salt Lake eBikes, and here's the Premium. This is a foldable, collapsible that can just go in the back of your car. It's a pretty sweet ride. It's got the bags on the back. Just want to show you how much cargo these little bikes can carry. I mean, look at that. 20-mile range, cruising around town. Folds up, sits in the back seat of your car. Check it out. This is the Premium. This is a great bike if you're in the city going to work. This one's all bagged out. We'll have bags on the front. But just to show you how diverse these things are. Great bike. Come down to Salt Lake eBikes. We're at 1035 South, 700 East, right across the street from Liberty Park.